Guys, welcome to the gosh darn video. Remember when I said that big things were in the works? Well, here we go. This is the new crib, y'all. So come on with me. Let me give you the grand tour. So freaking pumped to show you guys. Welcome to my humble abode. Take your shoes off. Welcome. All right, so when you first walk in, man, you got this nice little staircase right here that leads upstairs. I'm gonna show you guys everything except for the basement, because there's a little surprise down there for you guys. Still working on it, but check that out. Probably in a couple months or so. So right to your left as you walk in, man, you got this nice little dining area, nice little chandelier. Oh, that new house smell, bruh. And then right here, we got the main kind of living area with a nice fireplace, nice little mantle. Of course, we got the Google Home that's looking futuristic AF. Got these nice little blinds installed. But yo, man, check out this dope ass kitchen right here. So excited to do so many eating videos, food videos, eating challenge videos, and possibly maybe even some cooking videos. But guys, check this out, man. Nice little island right here. All right, tons and tons of cabinet space. Stainless steel refrigerator. There's nothing in here yet because I gotta stock this bad boy up, but there's nothing in there. But hey, probably my favorite part about this kitchen, yo, check this out, man. This is like you guys ever read Harry Potter? You know, when they like kept him in that little pantry? Yo, this is what this is right here. This is a whole nother secret room. Look at this. You open this shit up right here. Woo! You could have like a little rave in here. Look at this. Look at this. I might turn into a doomsday prepper with all this freaking room. You know those 25-year bags that they sell at Sam's Club and Costco? You know that stuff that lasts for like 25 years? Yo, you can fit like 100 of those in there. All right, and then right off the kitchen here, you got this nice little powder room right here. All right, nice little mud room where you come in and kind of put your shoes. Oh. Then right into the 3-car garage over here. Man, this is so dope. Got that, you know, I'm talking about that Dyson. Oh man, this thing is a game changer. Remember to always turn the lights off, guys. We're trying to help Earth live a little bit longer. Feel me? All right. Just microwave, stove. In the future, I probably won't upgrade to a gas stove, but that's what came with the house, so kind of got to stick with that for now. But let's go upstairs. Oh yeah, nice little closet right here. You guys remember that song? Better Off Alone, Alice DJ. Maybe 90s kids remember, but it's an oldie but a goodie. All right. So we're at the top of the stairs. Boom. 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 First bedroom right here. So this is about 2,400 square foot house. First bedroom right here, guys. Nice little closet. And then we walk right into the Jack and Jill bathroom right here. Kind of separate little water closet action going on. Get all your showering done. And then boom, right into the next bedroom. This one's a little bit smaller. So like I said, 2,400 square foot 4-bedroom house with a unfinished basement, plus a nice little laundry room right here. So going to be placing my washer and dryer in here, obviously. Yo, if you guys ever lived in like an apartment and you had to do your laundry, you know, like lug it down somewhere and do it elsewhere, you'll understand how much of a luxury it is to have your own washer and dryer. Another little Google Home. Man, check out this thing though. This is like from the future. And then right here, guys, another little, whoop, never mind. It's actually a full bathroom right here. Look at this. I love the nice little finishes in this place. Yup. Oh, just wait till you guys get to the master. That's where we're going next. That's what we're peeping next, fellas. And then out here's a nice little kind of little turnaround hallway. Back to the stairs, remember? Right off the stairs to the left. Boom, master suite. Yo, let me show you guys this. Remember the pantry from downstairs? Yo, this master walk-in closet is probably just as big, and I don't have nearly enough clothes to fill this thing up, so, but it's definitely nice to have, you know? And then, don't mind the ghetto door frame right now, because initially, this house, the bathroom didn't even come with a freaking door. So I'm trying to get, you know, the folks from Home Depot, thanks guys, to put in a door, which they're working on right now. So that's why you see there's no door here and the frame's all jacked up. But that's a total work in progress. And then you got this nice jetted tub. Party for 5 up in here. This is what I'm talking about. This is the kind of the siding for the door there, but that'll get finished here in a couple weeks. But yo, check out this walk-in shower right here. Woo! Look at this. Let's see if we can turn the lights on in here. Oh, there we go. Boom! Look at this. Look at this, guys. We got dual shower heads. Boom. 1. Boom. 2. If you thought you could have a party in the other shower, man, you could have a rager in this one. Check me out. And then nice dual vanity. Not like I need to, because it's just me. And then nice little water closet action. Kind of love that, you know. When you're sitting on the pod, you don't want to be disturbed, you know. You just want to chill, relax, be on your phone. Guys, you don't even know, back in the day, before cell phones, when I was growing up, if you had to sit on the pot and there weren't any magazines, you read the back of, you know, shaving cream bottles, Pantene bottles, whatever. Whatever you could get your hands on, you know what I mean? But that was back in the good old days. Then we got some windows here in the hallway. All right. So there we have it, guys. That's pretty much the house. Sorry that I cut a little bit short. The batteries on the old camera died. Once again, never fails. But hey, that's it. Glad I could show you guys what I've worked so hard for. Love you guys. You know the deal. Until next time, peace.